In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your existing document in another name without losing that initial document. You know, there are times that you have a document and you want to make an amendment whereby the first one you have, you want to retain what you have, but in the initial one, and the changes you made to the next one, you want that one to have it, but you want to save it in another name. So how are you going to do it? I'm going to show you in this. Now, let's assume this is your document that you have. Let me save it. You can save in two ways. Either you come to file, then you come to save. So where do you want to save it? You go to your documents or your desktop. You save it on your desktop. You name it. Yeah, let me name it documents. All right, you click on save. So you click OK. Now you've saved your documents. Now let's assume I change something here. Let me change the color, and I want to retain these documents. Okay, let me change the color to black. Okay, as only the first one you were using the red, and you were asked to change to leave the first one and change the second one to black, and you want to keep the two documents together. So now how will you save this without affecting your documents? So the next thing, what you will do now is to click on file, you come to save as. So when you click on save as, you select desktop where you want to save it. Now you still have that name there, so you can put either version 2 or version 1, or you just name it, just put a preface, a suffix at the end, and you click save. Now your document is saved. So now let's compare what you have initially with this. So you come to where you saved your document. This is the first one. Now can you see it now? Let me shift it so you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see? Now you have document, which is the first one here, and you have version 2, which is this one here. As you can see, the initial one was having the red font, and the next one is having the black font. So this is how to save your document without losing the initial one. So it's as simple as ABC. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this helpful, kindly hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.